Hi everybody, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today, right now, I have this Powershot A40. So basically, this is the point and shoot camera from Canon. So this is like a pretty old model and all this thing from the early 2000 series. Yes, because this camera is only 2 megapixel. So yep. And this camera is using this 4 times AA batteries. Yep. So you need 4 AA batteries to power up this camera. Then for the slotting wise, these two right here, it's at the positive terminal at the top. And over here, sorry, this side here is the negative terminal, just in case you want to see like how the battery arrangement. This is how the arrangement looks like. So you just have to make sure that you press it in tight. And all. So once it's tied up ready, yep. And this camera here, before I forget, is using CF card. So CF card will look something like this. It's compact flash. Yep. So this is how you put it in and all. To turn it on, you just press this on button here. So if you see like the green button here blinks and the screen here and all, so it shows that the camera is ready. So every time you take out the batteries, they will prompt you to go and change the dates and everything. So this camera looks like it's from the year 2001. Yep. So yes. Then you can see on the screen here, it's only 3 like autofocus point. So here is the program mode. This is the exposure compensation. This is the auto white balancing. This is like the image size, which is right now in medium. This is the ISO that I set as ISO 50. No flash. This is the single shot. This is how many photos you can take left with. So I only have like 21 photos to take left. So because this the CF card, I think is the 8 megabytes. So yep. So now in program mode here, you can adjust like various other like settings here. So program mode, they can let you like have full access to the cameras, like everything that you want to have a force flash, everything. All this can be adjusted inside camera. For example, this is the flash, and you can do auto flash, you can do red eye reduction, you can do force flash, everything do on flash. Then over here, just now I was playing this switch. This is the exposure compensation. You can to adjust the compensation, sorry, I must turn this view, is you press this button left and right. So if you go to the right of the scale, it means the object appeared overexposed. If you go to the left, it appears as underexposed. So to set it, you can just like leave it be. Then it's like auto set. Then this is the white balancing. You can jump around between daylight, cloudy, tungsten, fluorescent, everything. Then over here, this for the effects. You can change the color effects, everything for the camera. So got low sharpening, got sepia, got black and white. Yep. So they got all kinds of modes and all this. You can adjust around. So once you just press this auto white balancing, like I mean this button here, so there's like don't have the button for you to press set. So it's basically you just have to select left or right, then you just press this AW button. So then over here is set up for you already. So over here, the display here is to change between this viewfinder here, and then you can jump to the screen right here. This is like minimalistic view. Over here is the actual view of the like screen with all the details on it. So this is for program mode, just very simple, very straightforward. Then this is for macro. This is for like people shot. This is for lens like far view of. Yep. Then over here, this is for continuous shot. That means you can burst shot. This is a self timer 10 seconds and single shots. Then if you press the menu button here, you can change this resolution. You can change the image compensation, the light metering, the ISO, autofocus, digital zoom, self timer, review 2 seconds, file set, and all these things. So for example, you want to change the resolution, you just have to press press set. You the press set ready, then you use these two keys to move left and right, whether you want small, medium or large. Yep. Then you just press the word set. And once you're done ready, you can just press this menu button to exit back. That is how you save out the settings in the camera for this Canon Powershot A40. So, yep, this is like the main settings for the menu. Just now explained already. So to go back to shooting mode, you can just hard press here. Then if you go down, if you like, this is like manual mode. You can jump around between this shutter speed. You can adjust this aperture, everything, more like a DSLR control. So in manual mode, it's the same thing. The menu settings is almost the same. So this is like the flash, everything. Then if you press this auto white balancing, is to jump between the shutter speed, the color photo effects, and all this. So if you move left and right, then in this case here, if you press the display button here, you can adjust this the aperture over here. But now it's only can adjust this white balancing. So over here you move left and right. If you go down left, is you make the shutter speed slower. On the right it goes faster. But now it's set at 2.8. You cannot adjust this aperture. You only can just press between aperture 8 and f2.8 only. So to adjust the aperture, just press the display button here. Yep. So yep, it's only two aperture for you to play around. Yep. That's all for this manual mode. So to zoom in and zoom out is basically you press this button on the right to zoom in. So this is like, I think it's a 4 times zoom and all. So yep, to zoom back up is just press this button here. Then not forgetting that we also have this mode as well. This is the like panorama. I think it was kind of like you can take one shot and then it goes to the next. So yeah, I think it's kind of like, you know, picture after picture. Then there is like movie mode. So inside here you can you can take 14 seconds of video only. Yep, it's pretty low. So go back to this automatic mode. So automatic mode is just like, you know, for you to like easy access everything. So you cannot access the white balancing, everything. The only settings you can adjust in the menu setting is the image size, the compression, the digital zoom, the self timer, and that's all. So they give you very minimal settings in the automatic mode. Then to view back the photos you have taken, you can go back to the playback button here. You use this key left and right to you know, move around the button here. Then if you press menu button here, you can like lock the image, you can rotate, you can erase, you can autoplay, print order, and transfer. Yep. So that's how you move about for this camera. So overall, this camera is pretty good, I would say. I mean, technically, it's not too bad lah. In a sense, because it's an old CCD camera. If you like this old vibes, everything, this is a camera that you can go for. Only thing that this camera is slightly bigger and all. It's a bit big, a bit bulky and all this. Yep. So that's all for today's video. Please like this video, subscribe to my channel for more upcoming videos. Thank you very much for watching and I see you all soon. Bye.